Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant Connection Error Code VAN1067. First, we have to close our launcher and then search for CMD, right-click on it and run it as administrator. Click on yes, and the command we are going to type in first is ipconfig //DNS, and the next one is netsh winsock reset. Hit enter, and this might help in network issues and might help solve your problem. The next way is to search for updates. Let's click on check for updates, and from here you can check for updates and install the necessary updates, which can help in solving the problem, because having an outdated Windows version can cause Valorant to have bugs and errors when you run the game. After that, restart your computer and see if that solves your problem. If not, the next way is to search for services. Let's open this up and this window will appear. Now select any item from the list and hit the letter V on your keyboard to locate the VGC option more quickly. Right click on it and let's go to properties. For the startup type, let's set it to automatic and then start the service. And after you have done that, you can then click on apply and hit OK and restart your computer and check if your problem has been solved. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.